Hello all, it's a duty paid, and today I bought a drill. Now, not this drill, but I have been using this drill on ones, many like it, for quite a while to do my projects, because I can do them here, I can work late at night, and I can drill my holes as needed. But the trouble is it's a two-hand operation, and it is rather tedious. Now I have a huge drill that I use for outside jobs to drill into masonry and stuff. It's hammer action, but it's far too big and heavy. So luckily today I was passing Argos and found this WORX. This is a 20 volt Max Lithium cordless drill with a 10mm chuck, 20 volts, compact, two gears, forward and reverse probably, and comes with a battery and stuff. So I thought I'd do a opening, take a look at this. So it's quite a chunky box, all many languages. So you look like you get one screwdriver bit, a 20 volt battery charger, a 10mm chuck, variable speed, and so forth. What do I actually call this? Don't actually call this anything, I can't see. So let's open this up. 100 240 volt 5060. So I can take this on holiday with me if I go to the States. I can take my cordless drill with me. Not that I'm sure I would want to. So let's open this up. Is this going to stay up or is it going to be a booger? Not too bad. So first thing is this little carry bag, which is quite nicely made. Looks like a nylon. Nothing too special in there. Doesn't seem to be any pockets or clasp, but somewhere nice to keep the drill. You keep these things in the box, but that always gets a bit tired over the years. So the little bag, I think it's a little bonus. A little rubberized logo there. Nothing on the other side. Then we have the instruction book. Plastic bags can of course be dangerous. So we have a bit here. Not used to having the camera so high up, so hopefully everything's in shot. So this bit, just a Phillips and flathead, quite nicely made. There we go, it's actually marked. So we have a Phillips 2 and a 5.5 slot head. It's actually quite nice to see, a nice narrow bladed. Isn't truly that narrow, but that will get you started on 99.9% of sort of household screws or garden screws if you're using this outside. So Powershare. Oh, I see, one battery does them all. Safety and operation manual. Safety and operation manual for the frame, for the charger, and one for the drill. Multiple slips. I see the two gears are slow and fast, right in here. So put that to one side. Put it back in the bag. This is the first time I've opened this. Thought I'd share it with you. So what shall we go for? Let's leave a main attraction to last. We have a slide-in power adapter, obviously with the best plug in the world, which is of course the standard 3-pin British design. And then we have a looks like a slide-on connector for the battery. This is rated at 20 volt 400 milliamp. Funny, you wouldn't want to plug your phone into that. And then we have the heavier than I was expecting drill. And then obviously the battery. Let's look at the battery quickly. Yeah, fairly nice, and that's 20 volt lithium. So 20 volt lithium, 1.5 amp hours, 27 watt hours. Will not catch fire and will not go underwater. No, do not dispose of in fire and bad for the environment. Don't stick it in your wheelie bin and can be recycled. So hopefully, let's move the box out of the way. And the drill comes in the plastic pack. Now, buying power tools from Argos, I remember 20 years ago, people used to use Argos as literally like a tool hire shop. You went in, bought a hammer drill, used it over a weekend, took it back and said you didn't like it, refund. And they used to literally give you a refund. And when the next person went in, they gave you the previous one. So if you really wanted to keep it, you ended up with one covered in brick dust and paint splats and all the other not cool stuff. So I won't put the battery in to begin with, mainly because if this is low on charge, can you damage lithium cells on low charge? But you can imagine what a drill looks like. So variable snap the torque on the top. Seems a little bit stiff. Let's see, where are we up to? 15, and then on to affinity and beyond. That goes right up. Probably best to read the instructions. 1, and then we have the slow 1 and 2 for speed, reverse switch, variable control, no lock, but locks on drills always a little bit, you can't go like that. I never really found a lock on a drill that useful. I suppose if you're ever using a drill in a not a bench drill, not a tower drill, pillar drill. Mine's completely eludes me sometimes. Oh, that seems to have warmed up better. Keyless chuck. Not too biggest fan on keyless chucks, but they do have their purpose. Overall, a nice weight. Actually, let's just stick the battery in. Live dangerously. See if it's got any juice in there. So that's obviously on the lowest one, and the chuck would slip. So you turn that higher. So therefore you can use it as a drill driver, which would allow you to, do screws without, blasting them through the bottom of the case and so forth. And obviously drilling. And a nice weight as well, so I can hold a project in my hand and drill into it, which using this is very good. Even though this is quite cheaply made, you still have no way of, you need a third hand, and vices and clamps and stuff are good. But if you got sort of awkward item, you know, if you got something like this and you want to put a hole in it, you know, would be able to do it with the drill, but in a chuck, that makes it difficult. And that's the WORX 20-volt Max Lithium. You probably will see it in future products. This is an item I purchased for myself. It was currently £39.99 on clearance in Argos. So if you want one, get one quick. You'll probably find it for cheaper online somewhere else. Your mileage may change. So that's today's weapon. Obviously comes with a charger, a drill, charger, bit and bag. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like if you did, and dislike if you didn't. Please feel free to subscribe if you want to see other future videos. They're all free content to you, and remember, it would really help me out a lot. So, I'm a duty paid. This is the WORX drill. I hope you have a good day. Take care and goodbye.